Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is Musrada Asif from SM Public Academy, Campus 5. Today we are going to revise Chapter 12, The Triangle, Exercise 12.1. Okay. So what is a triangle? A triangle, a figure bounded by three straight lines, is called a triangle. Okay. First, I am going to give you explanation on the definition, then we will solve a question together, and finally I will ask some objectives related to these definitions. ठीक है? So be attentive. So a figure bounded by three straight line is called a triangle. Here you can see a triangle on your screen. There are three straight line, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, where ABC, the triangle name is ABC. Here ABC are called the vertices of the triangle. Okay, ABC are called the vertices. Here ABC are three non-collinear points. Non-collinear means that do not lie on a same line. Okay, collinear means lying on the same point. These 3 points does not lie on a same line, and when we combine these 3 points, so the union of these three segments AB, BC and CA, it gives you a triangle ABC, right? It gives you a triangle ABC where these common points of the line segment, okay, the AC and AB, the common point is A. In AB, BC, the common point is B. So the common point of the line segment are called the vertices of the triangle. Only A is called vertex and ABC are called the vertices of the triangle, right? So what are the sides of triangle bete? AB, here you can see, let me show you properly. Students, sides means here AB is a side, here BC is a side, and AC is a side of the triangle ABC. ठीक है? AB, BC and CA, these are the line segments. Okay, so whenever you are writing the steps of construction and you are drawing the line BC, you have to make a line segment over here without arrows. Okay, line segment is like this. Okay, if there is a if there is an arrow on one side, that means it's array, that means it extend indefinitely in one direction. And if there is an arrow in both the in both on both the side of the line segment, it's a straight line that extend indefinitely in both the direction. Clear, students? Now what are called the angles of the triangle? Bete, here if I am mentioning angle BAC, what is the meaning of this? Angle BAC, angle BAC, right? Angle BAC can be written as only angle A. Why? Because the vertex which is written in the center, that shows the main angle which is given. That means this is angle A is given. What about ABC? Angle ABC, here we are talking about angle B, we are talking about angle B, and in ACB we are talking about angle C respectively. Clear? So these are called the angles of the triangle. Bete, if we add the three angles of the triangle, it's very important to remember, if we add all the three angles of the triangle, their sum is equal to 180 degree. Their sum is equal to 180 degree, right? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is always equal to 180 degree. Sanya, I can give you the MCQ like that, कि angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to dash, right? Or I can give you a sum of measure of all the angles of the triangle is equals to dash, right? You have to write 180 degree. Now classification of triangles, right? But triangles can be classified according to angles and according to side. According to angle, there are three types of triangle: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. Okay, I'm going to give you the quick review. ठीक है? So in acute angle, bete acute means less than 90 degree. We all know that what is the meaning of acute, less than 90 degree. So when we are talking about acute angle triangle, so in acute angle triangle, all the angles are acute. Okay, all the angles are acute, that means less than 90 degree. Now how can I give you the MCQs in for this acute angle? Now listen to me carefully. Sanya, Asya, where is Asya? Asya, I can't see you, bete. Asya, Asya, keep your camera in front of your face. Asya, show me, where are you? Okay, here is Asya. Asya, I can give you in the true and false that in acute angle triangle, one angle is of acute angle. Is it true? No. Yes, it's false. Okay, you can give me the answer in the way that Sania is giving. ठीक है? आप फेस अपना हिला के आंसर दे सकते हो. ठीक है? तो acute angle triangle, all angles are of acute angle, that means less than 90 degree. ठीक है? So in true false you have to check each and every word properly, each and every word. ठीक है? Now what about right angle triangle? बेटे in right angle triangle, a right angle triangle containing one right angle means 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree. Here we can see that this is of 90 degree, and two acute angles, and two acute angles. So Iman, I can give you the objective that in a right angle triangle containing two right angle and one acute angle, so it's false, right? So be attentive while you are attempting the true and false, right? So a right angle triangle containing only one right angle and two acute angles. Here we can see that two acute angles are here. Once again, here it contains only one right angle. ठीक? So the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse कहाँ है? The side opposite to the right angle, here, this side is called hypotenuse. I can give you the fill in the blank that the side opposite to the right angle is called dash, that means it's a hypotenuse. The side opposite to the right angle in the right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. Now what about obtuse angle triangle? Obtuse angle triangle, an obtuse angle triangle containing one obtuse angle, that obtuse means greater than 90 degree, and two acute angles. ठीक है? And two acute angles. ठीक है? So here this is greater than 90 degree and these two are acute angles. ठीक? An obtuse angle containing one obtuse, two acute. In right angle, one right angle and two acute angles. You can also note down these important points in your notebook as well, right? So this is about according to an angles. Zainab, now according to the side, again there are three types. Equilateral का मतलब ही क्या है? They are equal in sides. Okay, a triangle in which all the sides are equal in length, they are called equilateral triangles. They are called equilateral triangles. So each angle of equilateral triangle is of 60 degree. It's very important. Please note down this important point. Every angle is of 60 degree. Bete, if we add 60 plus 60 plus 60, if we add 60 plus 60 plus 60, what will we get? We get 180, and we know that sum of all the angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So in equilateral triangle, all the sides and all the angles are equal. ठीक है ना? In equilateral triangle, all the sides and all the angles are equal. All the sides and all the angles are equal over here, right? Now what about isosceles? Isosceles having two sides equal. ठीक है? Having two sides equal, and the and the angle opposite to the congruent sides. Here these two sides are equal, these two sides are equal, so the angle opposite to the congruent side are congruent. ठीक है, this angle and this angle is congruent. Okay, the angle opposite to the congruent side, opposite in front of the equal length of sides, these angles are also congruent. Not all the angles are congruent, all the angles are congruent in equilateral triangle. Two angles are congruent in isosceles triangle, or the angles opposite to the congruent sides are congruent. Now scaling is very simple bete, it's opposite to equilateral, ठीक, having no equal side. ठीक है, scalene having no equal sides, all the sides and all the angles are of different measurement, right? Now let's start with the question quickly. First I am going to explain you the question, then you have to solve the question. Okay, this is the case number 1 when measurement of three sides are given. Okay, construct a triangle DEF when measurement DE, EF and DF is given. But before making a proper diagram, what we have to do? Raise your hand and give me the answer. Before making a proper construction, what we have to do? Yes, Asya. Yes, Asya. Yes, Asya. What we have to do first before making a proper construction?
Rough construction. Rough diagram.
Bit quickly, please. Okay, Ramla, what we have to do?
Diagram.
Rough
Miss, we
diagram.
have to make rough diagram.
Very good. Thank you so much. We have to make a rough diagram. Very good. So here first we have to check out that is it possible to make a triangle DEF. First we have to draw DE of 5 centimeter. Take DE. D, we get D, and here we get E. Bete, please, vertices must be mentioned with the capital letter. Please don't write D and E with the small letters. So we have to draw D is equals to 5 centimeter. Then what we have to do, bete, EF is given. So EF must be drawn. Where it must be drawn? It can be drawn over here. We get EF of 7 centimeter, and this is DF is given. So here this is, how can we draw here? EF is given 7 and DF is given of 6.7 centimeter. So DF is equals to 6.7 and EF is equals to 7 centimeter, right? That means it's possible to draw a triangle. Let's start making a proper diagram together. First write down given. Okay, so in triangle DEF, measurement D, in this way we have to write down given that in triangle DEF, measurement DE, measurement EF, measurement DF is given. Bete, please, if DEF is given, to write down DEF. Okay, don't make a mistake that if DEF is given, you are writing ABC because you are habitual of writing this. Okay, don't do this mistake. Now, what is required to construct a triangle DEF, or simply you can write down triangle DEF is required. Now, number one, draw DE is equals to 5 centimeter. Take pencil and scale in your hand and draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. Then write down the step of construction that draw measurement DE of 5 centimeter. Bete Abdullah Ishtaq, we have to draw a line segment here on DE as well. Okay, DE is equals to 5 centimeter. Then what we have to do? Bete, now you have to put the compass on D with the measurement of 6.7 centimeter, draw an arc. Okay, D as center with radius 6.7 centimeter, draw an arc. Okay, draw an arc. What I'm saying? What I'm saying? DS center with radius 6.7 centimeter, draw an arc. Avoid writing that from D draw an arc of 6.7 centimeter to F. बेटे in on this point there is no f. ठीक है, when we will get f when we get two intersecting arcs. ठीक है ना, ठीक है रमला, when we get two intersecting arcs then we will get f. So what will be the step of construction? ds center with radius 6.7 centimeter, draw an arc. Okay, look at the slide, Iman, स्लाइड्स पे देखें बेटे, ds सेंटर विद रेडियस 6.7 सेंटीमीटर, ड्रॉ एन आर्क. ठीक है शहरोज, जय कुमार, हलीमा, ठीक है ना. नाउ बेटे नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज वी हैव टू पुट द कंपास ऑन e and with the measurement, very good, with the measurement of 7 centimeter. Okay, with the measurement of 7 centimeter, draw an arc which cuts the previous arc at f. Very good. Now we can write this step of construction over here, that ES center with radius 7 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting the first arc at F. Now the last point, Jay Kumar, what we have to do, take a scale in your hand, ठीक है, join D to F and E to F. That's it. Rumesa, steps are clear? Steps are clear, Rumesa? So what we have to do, join D to F and E to F. Okay, join D to, sorry, you have to write join D to F and E to F. Okay, avoid writing join D to E. Already D to E is already we have done in the first step, so you have to write join D to F and E to F. So DEF is our required triangle. Zainab, any question bete? Aisha Hassan, bete, turn on your camera quickly. Any question in this triangle? Is there any question, bete? Is there any question? Raise your hand if there is any question. Raise your hand if you are having any question, raise your hand. Okay, is there any question? You can raise your hand. No one is raising hand, bete. Everything is clear? Yes, Abdullah. Abdullah Ishtaq, unmute yourself, bete. Abdullah Ishtaq, everything is clear, bete? Unmute yourself, Abdullah Ishtaq, please. Yes, Sheroz.
Yes, miss.
Sheroz and Abdullah Ishtaq, unmute yourself, bete. Everything is clear?
Yes, miss.
Why we?
Yes. What's the question, Sheroz? Okay, Abdullah. So everything is clear to you.
I was
So
asking why we.
yes, why we what? Quickly ask the question. Students, kindly raise your hand and ask the question. You are allowed to ask the question. Please raise your hand. Yes, ask the question.
I Miss why we took Miss why we took meter E.
Sheroz, I can't hear you, bete. I can't hear you. Quickly repeat the question.
Miss why we didn't. Miss why we didn't. Miss why we didn't took meter EF is equal to 7 centimeter base.
Bete, you can take centimeter measurement EF in the base also. It doesn't matter. If you really want to draw the diagram like this, that measurement EF is equals to 7 centimeter, it's up to you. You can write down EF is equals to 7 centimeter over here. Okay, then on F, okay, then on F you want D over here, so DF is equal to 6.7, so you can make an arc of 6.7, and ED is equals to 5 centimeter, so you can draw here an arc of 5 centimeter. Is it clear? Now it's clear, Sheroz. Let's continue. Now somebody is again, Abdullah Shtaq is raising his hand. Yes, Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah. Yes, so students, you can ask me the question. Abdullah is raising his hand. Abdullah, to unmute yourself, bete, quickly. If you are having, you are raising your hand, unmute. Yes, yes, bete. What's the question? Quickly ask
मिस
me,
कॉपीज कब मिलेगी?
bete. Inshallah on Monday. Okay, okay.
Okay,
You
miss.
have to attempt today's work also in the loose sheet. Make the index in the loose sheet and start the question. Yes, Sania and Ramesh, unmute yourself quickly. Yes, bete.
अस्सलाम
मिस
वालेकुम
मुझे
Yes, bete.
मिस कुछ सबमिट कराना है हमने
Bete, I will tell you, inshallah, very soon. You have to complete these questions with me. ठीक है? Is it clear, Ramesh?
यस
Anything else? Okay, Sanya, what's the question? A student kindly make the index. Exercise 12.1, question 3, part 1.
मिस मेरा भी रमीज वाला ही क्वेश्चन था
Okay, inshallah, I will inform you about this. ठीक है? Daily
ओके
basis पे I am going to check your work through online class, right? So start your video and start solving the question. Exercise 12.1, question 3, part 1, quickly. 12.1, question 3, part 1, quickly. 12.1, question 3, part 1. Question 3, part 1. Question 3, part 1. Question 3, part 1. Here, mention the date. Exercise 12.1, question 3, part 1. You can see on the screen question 12.1, question 3, part 1, which is on page number 165. Bete, page number 165. Bete, page 165. Page 165. Attempt question 3, bit number 1. Question 3, bit number 1, quickly. Okay? Bit number 1, quickly. Bit number 1, quickly. First, you have to write given like this, then required, and then construction. Okay? First of all, you have to draw the line of 7.5, then you have to draw two arcs in this way, and here you can see I'm showing you the question on the screen. This is part 1. Okay? Question 3, bit number 1. All the 4 questions are similar. Okay, this is a case 1. Now from bit number 5 till bit number 9, you can see from bit 5 till bit number 9, one side and two angles are given to you. Okay? One side and two angles are given to you, right? And what about 11 and 12? This is the last case in which one angle is missing. First, we have to find the missing angles and then we have to solve the question. Okay, remember? We did these questions in our physical classes. Okay, and for the 90-degree, when I give you 90-degree, we have to draw it with the help of compass. Okay, by using compass we have to draw it. So I want you all to start sharing your videos with me. In the same time, I'm going to take your attendance, and you can now you are allowed to chat with me also. You can ask me any question if you are hesitating to ask me. By unmuting yourself, you can ask me in the chat box as well. Kindly mention your name in the chat box, your roll number. Okay, Hamza Kashif, bete, everything is clear? Hania, Eman Jahan Mokal, bete, everything is clear, Eman? Subhana, yes, Zainab, Shafeen, Ramla, yes, Vania. After completing the construction, I want you to raise your hand and share your work with me. Very good. Here Aisha Hassan's copy is over there. Very good. Everything is mentioned properly. Aisha, we spelling of triangle is little bit wrong. Uh, construct a triangle. TRIAN. ठीक है? Very proper and very neat and clean work. Excellent presentation. Shabash. Diagram. But we have to write steps of construction over here, and we have to construct a rough sketch in the corner. Okay, if we are having this question, for example, first where we have to construct a rough sketch, we can construct a rough sketch over here like this: AB. Okay, then there is BC and there is CA. Okay, AB is given of here in this question. According to this question, it is of 7.5 centimeter, and BC is equals to 7.5 centimeter, and AC is equals to 7.5 centimeter. When all the measurements are equal, when all the sides are equal in length, this type of triangle is called what? When all the sides of the triangles, yes Hania, S- yes Hania, bete, when all the sides,
Equilateral triangle.
equilateral triangle, AB, very good Hania, AB, BC and CA, all are equal to 7.5 centimeter. So Hania, we will write in triangle ABC, measurement AB is equals to 7.5, measurement BC is equals to 7.5, and CA is equals to 7.5, and it is an example of equilateral triangle. Excellent. All right. How can we draw this diagram while you are constructing 12.1 question 3 bit 1? Here I am here I am solving bit number 4 for you. All right, so first of all, here we have to draw a line segment of 7.5 centimeter. So we have to start from 0. Okay, we have to start from 0 until 7.5. We have to draw a line segment 7.5. Okay, we have to draw a line segment of 7.5 while you are solving bit number 1. Here I am solving one question for you as well. Okay, AB is equals to 7.5 centimeter. Okay, AB is equals to 7.5 centimeter, where we have to start drawing the line. Here I am explaining you again. Here you can see the scale, but we have to start from the 0. Okay, we have to start from the 0 till 7.5. Where is 7.5? Here 7 is there, and between 7 and 8 there is a line 7.5. Right now we can take the compass in our hand, and it must be adjusted. Pencil must be adjusted in the compass in this way. A sharp pencil must be used over here, and it must be in the level, and we have to draw 7.5 centimeter over here. Okay, I'm showing it here to you. Where is 7.5? Put your compass over here. Okay, put your compass on 7.5 and then till 0. Okay, till 0. 7.5. Now A center with radius 7.5 centimeter, draw an arc, and now B center with radius 7.5 centimeter, we have to draw another arc which cuts the previous arc at C. This point is called C. This point is called C beta. This point is called C. AS center with radius 7.5, draw an arc. BS center with radius 7.5 centimeter, draw an arc which cuts the previous arc at point C. And final step is join A to C. Now, how can we join A to C? Bete, this is the point. This point is C only. Only the point where two arcs intersect. This point is only called C. Only this point is called C. So join A to C, right? And join B to C, like this, right? And this is of AC is equals to 7.5 centimeter and BC is equals to 7.5 centimeter, right? So here I have drawn. Now I want you all to quickly share your triangles. Okay, here Sanya is sharing the triangle, Jay Kumar is sharing the triangle. Okay, the question was 7.5. Sanya, can you put your scale on 7.5 to show me that is it of 7.5 or not? 0 till, okay, 7.5. It's not clear. I can't see it clearly. 7.5. Okay. Now show me BC is equals to 6.6. Quickly. Ramesh, kindly switch on your camera. Turn on your camera, bete. Now BC is equals to 6.6 centimeter. Iman done, bete. 6.6 centimeter. Uh, Sanya, it's not clear. I can't see it properly. No, I can't see. I can't see it properly. Okay, here Jay Kumar is there. Jay Kumar. Yes, Jay Kumar. Now, very good, Jay Kumar. First, show me 7.5 centimeter quickly. 7.5 bit. Quickly, Jay Kumar. 7.5. Shabash. Students, just check out this work. 7.5 centimeter, very proper. Now, Jay, BC show kariye bete. 6.6. BC. BC. Okay, here AC of 5.8, perfect. And BC, BC, BC is equals to 6 point, perfect, excellent. In this way, everybody show me your work. Okay, who is ready here? Vanya is ready. Bete, you all have to show me the copy in the way in which Vanya and Jay Kumar they are showing their copies. ठीक है? Now 0 till 7.5, very good. Now show me BC. Show me BC is equals to 6.6 centimeter. Vanya, unmute yourself. Yes, 6.6 centimeter, Vanya, and AC is equals to, show me AC,
0.8 centimeter.
5.8. Vanya, any confusion in this chapter?
No, miss.
Everything is properly clear?
Yes.
Okay, I think this is little bit less than 5.8. No? What
No,
do you
miss.
think? Show, I can see, Vanya, show me more clear. Don't you think this is 5.7 or 5.6? It's little bit less. So,
Miss, 5.80 है.
all right. I'll check it by tomorrow. Right now, time's up. Inshallah, I will check your work, student, by tomorrow, and we will continue. I will ask question about this chapter by tomorrow. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. I hope everything is clear. Right, Vanya? Everything is clear, Vanya?
Yes, miss.
That's great. I'll ask
Yes,
question
Miss.
objectives question by tomorrow. Prepare yourself properly. One more thing, students, I'm going to upload objectives today to you. You have to attempt, okay, in the form of Google form, in the form of MCQs. I will upload a worksheet for you for your practice.